Hi and welcome to Music Production Handbook. So in these continuation of short videos, I'm going to be talking about setting up buses for reverbs and other effects for maybe drum crush or delays that you might want to add. So let's get to it. So the first way you can do it is by selecting, as I've done here, all the channels, and I'm going to select bus 1. And you'll see that Logic automatically creates a new auxiliary. The bus at the moment is set to mono, so if I click on the little circle, it's now a stereo bus. So that's the first method. If I highlight the aux one, press Ctrl N, Ctrl N, Ctrl N, you'll see that I've now created some more. Now you'll notice that it's set up for mic 2s at the moment. So if I highlight those and do Option Shift and holding those keys down and go to bus 2, you'll notice it selects and makes them the next one consecutively. If you hold the Option key on its own, it will copy and make them the same thing. So yeah, it's important that you hold the Option and Shift. Then you can then choose on your buses whether you make them post fader or pre fader, and then you can apply your reverb. The other thing is to obviously name them. So I'm going to name this one room. If I press the tab button, I can name the next one plate, tab again, hall, tab again, spring. The other thing you can do is press the shift, tab can move it back to the left, tab moves it to the right to the next channel consecutively. So it's another little useful tip there. So shift tab moves to the left, tab moves to the right. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also check out the Facebook page, the Music Production Handbook, where you'll find more tips, tricks and other things there. Thanks for watching. Cheers.